Hi everybody, welcome back. So what we are going to do over the next 12 days is I thought that it would be fun if we all did some of my favorite Christmas cooking and baking. So I am calling this 12 days of Christmas cooking, I suppose. So I realized that when I was filming the first video, I didn't give an intro to that. So what we are doing is pancakes and waffles. Usually we would make pancakes and waffles on Christmas morning or eggs and bacon. So we are going to make vegan pancakes, but don't tell anybody that they're vegan because they're super delicious. And we're going to make a really healthy waffle that only has a couple of ingredients. And if you are looking to stay on track with your eating over the holidays, this is going to be a great recipe for you. It has lots of protein from chia seeds and it will keep you full until your next meal. So let's get to it. Yummy? All the raspberries are gone.
Yeah.
Those are your favorite, right?
Mm-hmm.